Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to tip an Uber driver. Pretty much easy. Do you want to show appreciation for your Uber driver's great service? Here's how to easily leave a tip using the updated Uber Rider app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to unlock your phone and launch the Uber Rider app. What you've done, make sure that you are logged into your account. Only the tip during the ride is optional. It's only available in some regions or ride types. So while the trip is still in progress, tap the trip status bar at the bottom of the screen. While the trip is still in progress, tap the trip status bar at the bottom of the screen. If tipping is supported mid-ride, you will see an option to tip your driver. Choose an amount and tap confirm tip. Not all trips allow tipping during the ride. You can always tip after. Okay, so tip during the ride is available in some regions or ride types, not all regions. Now you can tip after the ride ends. After your trip is complete, Uber will prompt you to rate the ride. Available to all regions. Now choose your star rating. Then you see the tip screen. You'll see preset options like $1, $3, $5, any amount in your currency. Or you can tap custom to enter your own amount. Then tap your desired tip amount. After selecting the amount, go ahead and tap submit tip or done. The tip will be charged to the same payment method used for your ride. If you didn't tip right away, you can still tip later. Just go ahead and tap on your profile icon or check the bottom of your screen, tap activity, tap the ride you want to tip for, select tip your driver on the trip summary and complete the process. And that's it. Your driver gets 100% of your tip, and it really makes a difference. Whether it's a short trip or a long ride, tipping shows appreciation for a job well done. So you can tip up to 30 days after the ride, so there's still time if you forgot earlier. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.